Hello friends, today's topic is about a concept which I think is the most important concept of OOPS. If you will say you are not using inheritance in your project, I will say okay. If you will say you are not using abstraction or polymorphism in your project, still it is okay for me. But if you will say you are not using encapsulation in your project, then I will say that is not possible. Before giving some technical example here, let me give you a simple real example. For example, you have some money, okay? Now this money is just like data. Anybody can steal and take it from you, right? Money and data cannot secure themselves, okay? Now, in order to give them security, we put money in banks and as we put like our data in the databases. Now, if somebody want the money from the bank, then we have different procedures or functions for transferring money, right? Like a UPI transfer, online transfer, these are all functions, okay? All these are like secured functions, and without following these functions nobody can access the money. Similarly, in software without functions you should not let anybody else to touch your data, and that is encapsulation. Alright, now let's see the use of encapsulation in detail. What is encapsulation? How to implement encapsulation in real applications? Encapsulation is a very important concept of OOPS. Most of us don't know, but we are already using encapsulation in our projects. Let me show you the code first. Here is an employee class which have a field EMP experience, okay, which is basically the employee experience. Remember, when we say field in C#, when we say field, then it represents the data only. Now this field cannot be accessed from outside of this class because it is a private field. To access this field outside, we have to create a public property EMP experience like this. Now if you want to access this data outside the class, then here you can see the main method, and here we will not directly access the field, but we will access the EMP experience property. This combining of property and field is called wrapping, and this is one of the best example of encapsulation which is everyone is using in their projects. Also nowadays we use this shortcut way of writing the property, but this is just the shortcut. Internally this property is also using the field only. So the definition is, encapsulation means wrapping of data and methods into a single unit. Why I included properties here? Because properties are nothing else but special kinds of methods only. Now the question is, why encapsulation required in real applications, right? In other words, why we cannot just make the field or data public and access it from outside? Why to make it private and then create the property? That is like extra work, right? The reason of creating properties will make your data more secure, and via property you can put some additional logic with this field value like encryption, description, so it's like a kind of wrapper. For example, suppose you do not want anyone to change the experience or set the experience. You want employee experience just to be a read-only data. Now through property, just remove this set statement from here, and then no other developer can set this data because it will be read only then. That way you can secure your data with properties, but that is not possible with fields, right? Now let me also show you how you can violate the encapsulation. For example, in this screenshot, employees class does not have any property. See, there is no property in it. And in the main method, field is accessed without property. It will work, right? It will work. But it is violating an encapsulation concept of OOPS because field data is accessed without property or function. It will work, but it is violating encapsulation. That is why it is not the better approach. I hope now you understand what is encapsulation. Alright, now I think you know how you already using encapsulation in your projects. I can say this is the most important concept of object-oriented programming, right? There is one more thing. Why the name is like encapsulation? before it is, you can think of it like as a capsule, right? You remember in capsule we have two colors, two parts. Similarly here, one part is data and another part is function. So that's why it's like capsule to encapsulation. Okay, so that's why from where the name comes up. So I hope the concept is clear to you, and now it's your turn. Okay, press the like and subscribe button, otherwise no problem. Who cares about knowledge, interviews, jobs, careers, growth, right? Leave it on luck. Okay, all anyways, best of luck.